In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vendor in QuickBooks. This is a crucial task for those of you maintaining a streamlined and organized bookkeeping process. Adding vendors accurately can save you time and effort in tracking transactions, sending payments, and managing your expenses. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to access QuickBooks by navigating to the QuickBooks website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL or click your bookmark if you've saved it already. Once there, sign into your account if you aren't logged in yet. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage. From here, it's time to move to the Vendors section. Look for the Vendors tab on your dashboard. This tab is usually located in the navigation bar, often towards the left side of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the Vendor Center, where you can manage all your vendor-related activities. Once you're in the Vendor Center, you'll notice an option to create a new vendor. Typically, this button is prominently displayed and might be labeled New Vendor or something similar. Clicking this button opens up a form where you'll input the vendor's details. Let's walk through this form together to ensure all the information is entered correctly. First, enter the company name. This is the official business name of your vendor and is a required field. Take the time to double-check the spelling to ensure accuracy. Next, you'll enter the display name for the vendor. This is how the vendor will appear in your records, so choose something clear and recognizable. Following that, you can input the vendor's title if applicable. This might be useful if you're dealing with representatives from the company rather than the company itself. It can help keep things professional and organized. You'll also add the vendor's first, middle, and last name. These fields offer clarity and personalization to your records. If your contact person has more than one name, remember to use the middle name field for neatness and accuracy. Now, proceed to enter the vital contact details starting with their email address. A valid email is important for electronic correspondence, like sending purchase orders or receiving invoices. Alongside the email, add in a phone number and a mobile number. Having both allows for flexibility in reaching out to your vendors in case of urgencies or regular follow-ups. Lastly, if your vendor happens to use a fax machine, don't forget to fill in their fax number. While faxing may seem dated, some businesses still rely on it for official documentation. By now, you should have all the necessary fields completed. Double-check your entries for accuracy and spelling. Correct information is critical for maintaining a trouble-free finance management system. Once satisfied, simply save the new vendor details by clicking the Save or Submit button usually located at the bottom of the form. And there you have it! A new vendor successfully added to QuickBooks.